Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Knock It Out the Box. The song is Knock It Out the Box, the artist is Cousin D, and the choreography is PROFESS Line Dancers. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go.
Understand, you could drop me off in the frozen lake. One of my nieces just had a baby for the call. Jumping on wall to wall, let me drink Grey Goose for the alcohol. I mean, elevate on my team, cause I get all that energy. Like shrimp, big like peanut butter. One time, two times, just let me cuddle. Before I lose my mind, I'm about to sing the hook one more time. Before I lose my mind, y'all gon' sing the hook one more time. Throw that thing on me, I'ma knock it up like a box. You throw that thing on me, I'ma knock it up like a box. I said, you throw that thing on me, I'ma knock it up like a box. I'ma knock it up like a box. If you bang that thing on me, I'ma knock it up like a box. If you bang that thing on me, I'ma knock it up like a box. I said, if you bang that thing on me, I'ma knock it up like a box. I'ma knock it up like a box. Let's go now. Let's all out for one time. Back to the beat, back to the beat now.
And there you go. Knock it out the box. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Huda teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.